Hey, what's up guys, Foxlone here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to open your trunk on your 1996 Dodge Caravan without the key. This method is the most easiest and safest way to do it. So what you do is, let's say your trunk's closed, so you take off this seat and open this little hole. There's a plastic piece covering it, and what you need to do is there's that little metal bar that sits on that gold piece. And you could just pry that off with a screwdriver very gently, and it's pretty easy to do. So your trunk is closed. Now what you need to do is grab your screwdriver and just pull up on that, and your trunk is now open. Now this is the safest way because no one can get inside because it's still locked, and you didn't break the lock or anything, so no one can get inside. The only way it can be opened is from the inside. I hope everyone liked this video, and I hope this helped you. So have a good day and see you later. Bye.